Here's how to connect your Xbox controller to an LG TV. This particular model we're using has WebOS 26 running on it, but it will work similarly with earlier versions as well. First thing you're gonna do is hit the settings button on your remote, and that's gonna open up this menu. Then the all settings button is that little gear icon in the upper left corner. We're gonna click on that. Then we're gonna go down to System, and then we're gonna go over and down to External Devices. Click on that one, and then you're gonna see Connect Bluetooth Controller here. We're gonna click on that. That's gonna put the TV into search mode for the Bluetooth controller. And then we're gonna turn our Xbox controller on by hitting the Xbox logo until it starts flashing slowly. And then we're gonna put it into pairing mode by hitting the pairing button, which is the tiny button with the 3 curved lines next to it. Hold that down for a couple seconds, and you'll see the Xbox logo start flashing more rapidly. Then we're gonna click on Search on the TV, and that's gonna search for the controller. But once it detects the controller, you'll see Xbox Wireless Controller show up in that spot. So we can click on that, we click on OK, it says connected there. So now we can use the Xbox controller to control the television, which is nice for a different way to control your TV or to do cloud-based games. But that's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.